In Good Morning Global, we have a dream, and that is to end hunger, and no one should go to bed hungry. The warming planet and rising population have threatened our food systems and survival. But there's hope. Established in 2008, Good Morning Global employs biotechnology to create multi-grain-based health products. Our vision is to develop a sustainable ecosystem through novel biotechnology and healthcare in delivering well-being to the world population and creating value for shareholders. Our innovation in biotech includes plant-based products, nutraceuticals, biotech, OEM, raw materials, and vendor and services. And the positive response by consumers in Malaysia and Singapore has also strengthened our export expansion efforts. We are leading vegan capitalism by providing better plant-based alternatives through our R&D and integrated production facilities. Novel proteins in the functional multigrain and medicinal mushroom sectors are also being explored so we can shorten the supply chain and protect our planet. Our bio-innovation ventures start with unique biological resources. We create and build strong trade barriers in active ingredients, nutraceuticals, and functional products by using biotechnology, bioprocessing, and transformative biofermentation. To lessen our impact on the planet, we have offset 15.17 tons of carbon emissions annually through our solar panels, similar to planting 21 trees every year. And rainwater is harvested to help achieve United Nations Sustainable Development Goals in water and sanitation, ecosystem health, and climate change. By pioneering sustainable plant-based food production, Good Morning Global proves that healthy and tasty food is possible without harming the planet. Building a healthier future for everyone with innovative food tech solutions that nourish the planet.
Good Morning, redefining the future.